they're working on is pretty crazy. We look at the screen and we see things where I imagine they would take them days to make that, but the result is there right away because they're very clear on the lighting and the music and the right angles to do it. When I'm acting on the set, I think the most important part for me is imagining a fantasy world or whatever fits with the production. This time it's with beautiful bubbles, which is for me like, yeah, a fantasy world or like a beautiful forest. And if I imagine that, I mean, I don't even have to imagine, it's right there. It's super nice to play with.
I think it's that you see the body structure and like the lines from the body. Yeah, I think it's great that those are big and slowly so you can see it very good and clearly. So I think it's going to be a nice video.
He's very strong and I trusted him right away.
Yeah, I think everyone here is very professional. It was so clear. I couldn't imagine any better. It was really nice, and I hope till the next time.
I mean, I don't think I ever did a production where I got to be on so many different sets and play with so many different objects. Like, to dance together in this amazing production place. The production is beyond amazing. It was really nice to perform there, dance there, and yeah, it was really magical. It was really nice to work with the director. He was very clear and had a nice vision about what he wanted and very helpful to guide me on the set. How do I say it in Korean? 감사합니다!
감사합니다. Thank you, thank you, thank you.